How to find birthday privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click profile information and go down until you find your birthday here and click this pin, and here just here you will find this icon here. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage your birthday privacy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.